Kalpana Iyer, your video dancing in a purple sari blazed the internet.
People like you, people like other journalists, other magazines, other influencers. What do I say? For me, everything, beginning to my first song, which is Tumhara Pyar Chahiye Mujhe Jeene Ke Liye, to Jab Chahe Mera Jadoo, to Hari Om Hari, to Koi Yahan Nache Nache, Chodo Sanam, Ramba Ho, and so many more. They are all equally important. It's been a long, long time, and I am ready.
So you're ready to dance at weddings?
I'm ready to do anything and everything that's going to give me joy and that is going to give me money. Every single form that's going to get me work, that's going to let me lead my life with dignity. At the age of 70, I need money too, na? After Hum Saath Saath Hain, I wasn't getting the kind of work I was looking for. Salman's a good human being, and may God keep him well. I know a lot of actresses who travel all the way from all over the world and come to Mumbai to shoot. So why is it that एक मुंबई की लड़की जो दुबई में रह रही है मुंबई में काम नहीं कर सकती? Is there a law? I don't have an entourage. I've never had an entourage. In Rambaho, I have memories of generally enjoying myself. Credit goes to Dhurandhar for reviving it. I'm honored, Vicky. Mr. Ranveer Singh turned around and flicked his hair like I did. And if it matches what I did, wow, lovely, nothing like it.
Tell me about your interactions with Dev Saab.
I want to keep him in front of me and remember that age is just a number. And that set had one of the biggest legends of his time. I mean, one of the nicest, most wonderful human beings ever, Shami Kapoor ji. I have super duper memories of Vinod Saab. And I'm very, very happy for Akshay. He reminds me so much of his father. मैं उसके बाप को बहुत पसंद करती थी, दिल से पसंद करती थी.
What about Rajesh Khanna?
I am very vocal if I love you. I'm very vocal if I'm angry. But now the anger part of it has taken a back seat because there isn't any time left.
Kalpana Iyer, thank you so much for joining me from Dubai for this exclusive conversation. It's so good to see you. Your video, Ramba, dancing in a purple sari, blazed the internet.
Tell me, what should I tell?
So what was that moment, Kalpana, that you just got into it and went all out with?
Actually, I'm just so overwhelmed, Vicky. First and foremost, these are very, very dear friends of the family, and Renu and Manjunath. And they invited us for this wedding. And I wasn't too sure if I was going to go in the first place. But my sister's son and my sister, we all three, we are very close to them. So he said, yeah, we'll go. I said, darling, it's very far. Do you really think I should be making this trip? He said, we'll go and you will do it. Okay, chalte hain. And he planned an entire trip. I mean, मैं समझती हूँ कि जो कुछ भी हुआ है, it's a young man's love for his aunt. This entire thing, I give him full credit. And thank you to Renu and Manjunath for inviting us. And of course, my little sister, who turns around and does everything that I want and he wants. And between the three of us, we just went. And yes, it is very far. I have been to Siliguri plenty of times with other people. I have performed in Siliguri also. And this was a social event. I just went like everybody does, attend a wedding. But of course, these are special people. So I made sure that I carried my Kanjivarams and blah, blah. And I attended the functions. This was the first day ka Sham ka function, where all the kids were dancing and Mehndi ka apna jaga. Ye Sangeet. And actually, I was sitting in one corner because these kids were having so much fun that I wanted to just see them. And there were all kinds of, they have rehearsed obviously because they had aunties and uncles and mamas and mommies and dono taraf ke bacche, and it was amazing because whoever the event company was, they done a stunning job. And I was sitting with my nephew Rohan and my sister Kavita, and we were just watching it from the side. And after some time, my sister said that Manjunath said, "Where is Kalpana?" I said, "Where was I?" She said, "You'd just gone out." I said, "Yeah, okay." And then after some time, he came to me and he said, "Chalo mere saath." I didn't know anything, absolutely nothing. And I'll never say no to him because he's like a brother to me. And I went to the stage, near the stage, and there were lots of children around the stage. And the stage was full of glitter and bubbles and confetti. And I was like, "मैं क्या कर रही हूँ?" Anyway, he said, "Chalo." I said, "Chalo? Kya?" And then anyway, the boy who got married, he was there because he's a wonderful dancer. He's a wonderful person, wonderful human being, young kid, full of life, and all his friends were there. And मैं मन ही मन में सोच रही हूँ मैं इन बच्चों के बीच में क्या कर रही हूँ. Anyways, so they turned on and put me on, and the DJ played my song. And the only words that kept ringing in my ear was when I was about to leave, Rohan and Kavita told me just one sentence. They said, "Now that you're going, do it well and do it with your heart and do it the way you would." Understood? I said, "Yeah, okay. I promise you I will." I went on the stage and my heart tells me that my God decided to say Tathastu. Simple. Because I have always believed that my God knows best. And I danced. Dil se kiya maine. But I didn't know that this is going to happen because when I put the first video, everybody tells me, "You started it." I said, "I didn't know." I put a chota sa clip on my Facebook, chota sa, just to say that I wasn't prepared for this. I didn't know. I just did it and I had fun. And that was it. And the next day, this happens. Obviously, there were a lot of other people doing the shoots, and the guys who did it professionally, they also. And अभी भी मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि ये क्या हो गया. एंड जो भी हुआ है विकी, बहुत अच्छा हुआ है. मेरे ऊपर वाले ने मेरे पे इतना बड़ा करम. हाउ ब्यूटिफुली at this age he's turned around and decided to give me this much of joy. And what can I say but thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, God. I haven't been this busy in years. I can't take everybody's name, but I have to repeat this. People like you, people like other journalists, other magazines, other uh, influencers. What do I say? What do I say? And where should I begin? मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता है कि probably it was destiny that I had to be invited by this wonderful couple and this young boy who got married, who is very special to me because he's a good child. And the child who turned around and did this entire thing, who convinced me, chalo. He was the first one to say yes. He turned around and interacted with the bridegroom's mother. They worked it out, and he just turned around and planned this entire thing like a holiday for me and his mother. And then this happens. So मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि बच्चों ने मिलके सोचा and मेरे ऊपर वाले ने बोल दिया ओके. इससे बढ़कर क्या बात हो सकती है विकी? I'm talking to you and I have goosebumps.
Has the film industry reached out to you after that viral video?
Yes. First and foremost, though, I have to say that the press reached out to me first. फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लोग उनके काम करने का तरीका काफी कुछ चेंज हो गया है. So some people have got through to me via their casting agents. Some people have got through to me via friends, and some have also called me directly by taking my number from my friends. All I know is right now, if there is something that can explain my joy, it is very simply this. It's been a long, long time, and I am ready. Completely and totally ready. And apart from gratitude, and apart from being thankful, and apart from saying, it was time. It's been a long time, and I'm ready.
I remember talking to you, Kalpana, 3-4 years ago, and
Yes.
you were not very keen to come back and start acting all over again. I
No,
did.
I was always no. ऐसा कभी भी नहीं था कि I was not keen. I was always keen. फर्क सिर्फ इतना है कि आउट ऑफ साइट आउट ऑफ माइंड वाली दुनिया है ये. हमारी पूरी दुनिया ये है. I won't only say this is about the film industry. It's not right at all because my industry has given me so much when I was young. My industry has given me so much for so many years. My first movie was 79. My last movie was 98, 99. That's a long career for somebody who didn't know anybody, who didn't have a secretary, who did her work on her own. My industry gave me then. My industry supported me as much as they could. And then if I choose to go away, my reason for going away was completely different. I'm not going to speak about that now and take away the joy of what's happening because right now, my industry has been wonderful. The people in the industry have been wonderful. The press, my God, all the lovely, lovely people. I mean, Vicky, I have nothing to say except this. I have no complaints. I have no regrets. I have no issues. मुझे जो फोन करेगा मैं किसी ना किसी तरीके से टाइम निकाल के मैं उनसे बात करूंगी. जो मुझे कांटेक्ट करेगा मैं उनको सुनूंगी. आई हैव गॉट नो इश्यूज. मेरे सफेद बाल ऐसे धूप में नहीं हुए. इट्स नेचुरल. And I'm 6 months away from 70. What better life at this point of time can I ask? If he hadn't turned around and worked this out for me, who did? Who did? And I'm genuinely grateful, yeah.
Want to ask you here that you generally don't speak about why you went away, but there was one line which I read in one of your old interviews where you said, "लोग पैसे नहीं दे रहे थे," and the payments were not
I have
coming.
never said this sentence. कभी नहीं कहा मैंने. Never. I've never said. I've never been money minded. No, 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 no. I just said that I wasn't getting appropriate work because times had changed and everything had just gone on to another level. And after Hum Saath Saath Hai, I wasn't getting the kind of work I was looking for. And I didn't know if I could hang around because I was so used to working. And then I got a fabulous job here with a very, very dear friend, and I came here. And after that, I didn't get too much of work in India. And so I remained here. But now, if I get, see, people are asking, let it translate to work, then we shall talk. I have never said no to work, Vicky. I've never said no to any role, Vicky. I haven't been a difficult person. I don't have an entourage. I've never had an entourage. I've always been somebody who's done things on her own. I will be perfectly fine if I turned around and did things in क्या बोलते हैं उसको खुशी से प्यार से because I'm not difficult. All I'm saying is just respect my age and give me work that's appropriate for my age. I don't care if it's negative. I don't care if it's positive. I don't care if I have to be an old woman. I don't care if I have to sit in a wheelchair. It doesn't matter. It's work. I'm looking for good work. And right now, things seem to be moving. Let's see. I'll keep my fingers crossed.
The Rambaho moment was sort of revived by Dhurandhar.
I'd like to give credit to my God first. Because had I not gone to this wedding, I wouldn't have done this dance. And had this dance not happened, I wouldn't be speaking about anything. But thank you to Mr. Aditya Dhar, thank you to Dhurandhar, and most importantly, thank you to the Sagar family for giving me this song in the first place when I was a young girl. But had the original song not happened, and if there was no team of Bapida, Ushaji, me, Vijay Oscar, and the Sagars, वो फिल्म ही नहीं बनती. वो फिल्म नहीं बनती तो वो गाना नहीं होता. वो गाना नहीं होता तो वो धुरंधर में नहीं होता. अगर वो धुरंधर में नहीं होता तो बच्चों को मालूम नहीं होता. So it's all, everything is interconnected. So you have to give credit where it is due. 110% Dhurandhar revived it. I have no doubt about it because people have shared it with me. People have told me about it. I haven't seen it because it hasn't released yet. And मैं कोई भी ऐसा काम नहीं करना चाहती जिससे मुझे लोग पलट के ये बोले कि इसने कहाँ से देखा. मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं था when I was in India. But I know that at some point I will watch it. But irrespective, गाना तो सुना है ना मैंने. And I've been even told by people that Mr. Ranveer Singh turned around and flicked his hair like I did. That's a compliment because I think he's done a stellar job of his life. He's done incredibly well. And if it matches what I did, wow, lovely, nothing like it.
Kalpana ji, when you say that you want to come back to do Bollywood films, does that mean that you are ready to shift bag and baggage, or will you shuttle between Dubai and Bombay?
I'm not, no. I'm not saying any such thing. All I'm saying is I'm open to work. And I'm not saying anything about moving baggage and all. But इंसान जिंदगी में इंडिया में रह के बाहर जाता है ना, ट्रैवल करता है ना. I know a lot of actresses who travel all the way from all over the world and come to Mumbai to shoot. So why is it that एक मुंबई की लड़की जो दुबई में रह रही है मुंबई में काम नहीं कर सकती? Is there a law? There isn't. So if that is applicable to them, then they can work. Why can't I? I will come. If I get the work, I will be there. If I'm offered something to do, I will be there. Whether it's a reality show, whether it's as a guest. क्या पता? हो सकता है कि किसी और की शादी आएगी और वो बोलेंगे कि कल्पना को बुला लो. शायद हमारी शादी में वो डांस करेगी. You never know.
So you're ready to dance at weddings?
I'm ready to do anything and everything that's going to give me joy and that is going to give me money. In this wedding, I didn't get paid. This was a completely honorable, what should I say? They called me with respect. I went to the wedding. I felt like going when they said, "Ki, will you please come?" And this was completely unexplainably, एकदम अंदर दिल से निकला था. If anybody calls me on a professional basis, वो भी मैं दिल से करूंगी. The only difference is it will be with a little bit of mullah for me. क्यों? At the age of 70, I need money too, na?
I take you back to the sets of Rambaho, the song we discussed. Can you relive that moment? Were you nervous at any point? It's such a big song, shot with so many people around you.
This was the second song for Arman I did. The first song that I did for Arman was "Aa Meri Jaisi Hasina." That was on a set. And that set had one of the biggest legends of his time. I mean, one of the nicest, most wonderful human beings ever, Shami Kapoor ji. And I remember him turning around and being so kind to me, so courteous to me. So that was "Aa Meri Jaisi Hasina." In Rambaho, I have memories of generally enjoying myself because whenever I worked with Vijay and Oscar, I had a blast. And the set was very vibrant. The people were very kind. And you start working with people and then you're surrounded by people whom you know over the years, you know them over time. And also the Sagas were the people who gave me my first big song, Hari Om Hari. After, on the set of Lootmar, I got Hari Om Hari. So Anand Sagar and Prem and everybody, and Sagar Saab Senior, they're a wonderful family. I mean, I have wonderful memories. We shot it at the Natraj studio. And I have nothing but joy in my heart for it because it was a happy song. It was a happy time. And I was half my size. So that's an added information. Not that I don't need to tell you that I was half my size. I am. Never mind that. Huh? I still have a lot of Josh and Hosh.
That is evident.
Yeah.
And audible also in this interview.
Yes, okay.
If I ask you to put your hand on one, Hari Om Hari or Rambaho, or let's take the third one, Jab Chai Mera Jadoo from Lootmar, where would your hand?
I can't. No, I can't. Because why? No parent, no mother can ever turn around and say, this child is special, that child is special, that child is not. For me, everything, beginning to my first song, which is Tumhara Pyar Chahiye Mujhe Jeene Ke Liye, to Jab Chaaye Mera Jadoo, to Hari Om Hari, to Koi Yahan Nache Nache, Chodo Sanam, Rambaho, and so many more. They are all equally important. They are all special. But this moment in time, credit full goes to Rambaho in a big, big way. Credit goes to Dhurandhar for reviving it, for people of today's generation, children of today's generation, who stop me, who tell me, who share videos with me. And a little girl has danced and she's put my song with her. I'm honored, Vicky. This is a time when I'm supposed to turn around and say nothing but thank you, God, for this moment in time. It is a rare thing that at 70 somebody can turn around and say कि मैंने ये गाना 81 में किया था और वो गाना मुझे 26 में इतना खूबसूरत एक मोमेंट दिया है मेरे को. मैं जिधर जा रही हूँ इस वक्त यही है, मैं जहां बैठ रही हूँ यही है, जहां मुझे लोग देख रहे हैं यही है. How much more can I say? But this, that I have goosebumps, I'm overwhelmed, and I'm speechless. And this comes from a place of absolute humility, sincerity, and gratitude.
Tell me about your interactions with Dev Saab.
Beautiful memories, good memories, vibrant memories. As a matter of fact, I want to keep him in front of me and remember that age is just a number, because he was so full of life. And today when someone turns around and tells me कि नहीं यार तुम तो बहुत जोश है, बहुत होश है, then I have to think, yes, I was around people who were like this. I was supported by people who were like this, who believed in living life, who enjoyed life. I have very good memories of him. Nothing but positivity.
What about Rajesh Khanna?
राजेश साहब के साथ मेरा इंटरेक्शन कम था उनके, but whenever I met him, he always met me extremely well. Courteous, polite, kind, and one of the most endearing smiles. When he smiled, an entire room lit up. And wonderful human being. When I met him socially or otherwise, it's always nice, always nice.
Vinod Khanna.
He's one of my all-time favorites. He will always be my all-time favorites. You won't even believe it if I told you how happy I am for Akshay Khanna. How happy I am, because I don't even think I can even go back there anymore. But I have super duper memories of Vinod Saab. Because होता है ना, कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनकी संस्कार, जिनका जो बिहेवियर है वो आपके दिमाग में रह जाता है. He is one of those people. I hold him very close to my heart. And I'm very, very happy for Akshay. Really, I am.
Akshay Khanna has always been a great actor.
मैंने उसका ज्यादा काम नहीं देखा है. मैंने सिर्फ क्लिप्स देखे हैं जो उसने काम अभी किया है. And he reminds me so much of his father. And I hope he turns around and gives me the grace and वो क्या बोलते हैं, इतना मार्जिन दे दे कि मैं उसके बाप को बहुत पसंद करती थी, दिल से पसंद करती थी. कोई गलत फहमी ना लाए. किसी किसी की रिस्पेक्ट ना यहाँ होती है. For me, that is important. And for me, Akshay revived that. And then to see that his film ka gana, Dhurandhar ka gana, has done this for me.
Interactions with Salman, Hum Saath Saath Hain.
Salman is a wonderful human being, and I personally respect him a lot. I've interacted with him only during my work. Other than that, no. But I know about him. I've read about him. There are people who are very, very close to me, who are very, very close to him. And I've heard nothing but good things about this man. थोड़ी बहुत हमारी हेलो हाय होती थी हम साथ साथ हैं के सेट पे. And he was always courteous. मेरी इतनी इंटरेक्शन उनके साथ होती नहीं थी. मेरा गाना होता था, मैं घर चली जाती थी. Salman's a good human being, and may God keep him well.
I keep watching your film Satte Pe Satta again and again and again. It was a marvelous film. You know, so many people in the industry have tried to remake it, but it never took off. It never materialized. Do you think it can be remade or it should be remade?
There's plenty of new things in the world. Why do we have to keep making remakes anyway? There's lots happening in the world. There's plenty of relevant subjects happening. There are lots of people who are doing different things. Let's support something new. Let's not keep rehashing things. Let's not talk of things that were and that was. Let's talk of what is. Let's try to make today better. Let's talk about encouraging children's stories. Let's talk about women's stories. Let's talk about men and men's stories. Everything has a point of view and a time and place. What was, what had to happen, what has happened, हो गया. हमको गड़े मुद्दों को उखाड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, विकी.
Are you in touch with Bapi Das' son? Bapi Das, someone who played a major role in your super hit song?
My credit and my thank yous are with the Bhappi Lahiri Khandan. I'm in touch with nobody, but when I meet them, I know it's going to be just as beautiful as it was when they were babies. I've known Bapa and Rema when they were children. So for me, they will always remain children. Chitrani will always be the Bhabi. Bhapida will always be here. I will never ever be able to turn down and there cannot be. मेरे सारे गाने इट वॉज ऑलवेज भप्पी जी जितने भी सक्सेसेस मैंने पाए उस वक्त इट वॉज ऑलवेज भप्पी जी मोस्ट ऑफ इट हैड उषा जी सो दे आर माई फैमिली बड़े हो गए हैं उनके अपने बच्चे हो गए बट फॉर मी दे विल रिमेन चिल्ड्रन हाउ डज दैट चेंज एंड हाउ कैन यू नॉट विश वेल फॉर योर किड्स सो रेमा एंड बापा आर ऑलवेज इंपॉर्टेंट दे विल ऑलवेज बी इंपॉर्टेंट
Kalpana ji, how was it then when you were, in the thick of things in movies? Say contemporaries, like if I can use that word for the people, for the actors who also danced. They also had super hit songs. Was there like let's say Aruna Irani, Jayashree T, Bindu?
ये लोग सब मेरे से बहुत सीनियर है विकी बहुत बहुत सीनियर है जयश्री टी अरुणा जी बिंदु जी देर ऑल मच मच सीनियर टू मी सो मेरी तो हैसियत भी नहीं है कि मैं उनके बारे में आज भी बात कर सकती हूँ मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता है कि दे वर वेरी नाइस टू मी काइंड टू मी डिसेंट टू मी कोई झगड़ा नहीं कुछ नहीं मैं उनको इतनी अच्छी तरह से नहीं जानती थी कि आई कैन सिट एंड टॉक अबाउट देम आई अप्रिशिएटेड देयर वर्क देन आई अप्रिशिएट देयर वर्क नाउ
I recall that moment when Helen G was shooting her last song in Mehboob. You were shooting your first song in Mehboob.
Yes.
And you went across and met her and
Yes.
had a lot of respect for her. And even now
Yes.
you have a lot of respect for her.
Yeah.
Can you recall that moment?
No. Because it's too long ago. And I don't even think she remembers it. Because she was genuinely busy with her thing. And I was new. I only remember this that she was always nice to me, always kind to me. And she has spoken about me a few times nicely to people. So whenever I've always heard her say good things. And I've always said that she's been an inspiration my entire life. And that doesn't change. And it will always remain. I've never been disrespectful to people. I don't know how to. Yes, I was extremely busy. It's very possible that I must have come across as someone who's iske paas vakti nahi hai. But no, I needed that work. I needed that money. And it was times change. Unke time alag the, hamare time alag the. Like she used to work in songs and all, and sets were created. Hamare time we had disco, and disco ka specific timing hota tha. We had to shoot and we had to run because they had to open for business. So times have changed, and now again it's back to I heard that sets get constructed. Fantastic. क्या पता इस उम्र में शायद मुझे constructed set मिलेगा. You never know.
Do you feel like putting out posts on Instagram? Because आजकल हर actor, हर celebrity, I think in every part of life, is just out there and trying to, promote himself or herself all the time. Do you get tempted?
I don't know how to handle social media. I don't know how to handle a simple thing called an iPhone. I'm very old school. I'm very basic. I generally am. I'm not very phone savvy or social media savvy or anything like that. I go do things instinctively. That is why when I put this small little clip on my Facebook page, I didn't realize that I was starting something that's going to do this. So for me, it is like, wow, aisa bhi hota hai. So no, Vicky. I will not. I'm not going to turn around and say कि social media doesn't matter. How can I? Because it is the social media that has done this now. ये जो भी हो रहा है, this is because of that ना बाबा. इतना वक्त नहीं है. मैं कभी पढ़ूंगी, कभी समझूंगी, कभी करूंगी. तब तक तो मैं 80 साल की भी हो जाऊंगी. अरे नहीं भाई.
When you say you want to come back, does it extend to OTT also, Kalpana ji?
Everything.
Even TV?
Every single form that's going to get me work, that's going to let me lead my life with dignity, that's going to let me earn my own keep because I haven't been earning now for quite some time. I want to earn again, not because I need the money, because I want to do it. There's a difference. I'm being looked after beautifully. My sister and her son have kept me here. That's not the point. The point is, I want to do something. I have not quit. I don't know how to quit. And if this that's happened is going to give me my feeling that I can still work, why not? Because I personally believe that no one should retire. Nobody should retire. Everybody should work. And I'm not saying this only for the sake of money. I'm simply saying that if you keep your mind active, if you keep your body active, if you keep your senses active, money will come. Money is not the be all and end all of existence. But पैसा तो जीने के लिए चाहिए ना. मैं तो जी अभी भी रही हूँ. बट अगर थोड़े मैंने कमा लिए पैसे तो उससे किसी को तकलीफ तो नहीं होनी चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
मैं मेहनत करके कमाना चाहती हूँ. मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ कि कोई आके मुझे दे के जाए. There's a difference. And I say this to everybody. Don't retire. कभी भी नहीं. जो भी आप कर रहे हो करते रहो.
You know, everything is in your favor, trust me. Largely because you have conducted yourself with immense grace.
Thank you.
Even when you were working in the industry, even when you left for Dubai, for reasons best known to you, and even now when you speak to the media, I think there is a tremendous feeling of bonding. It's not just Kalpana Iyer, the dancer. Are you getting me what I'm saying?
I am. It can be good and it can be bad, but I don't care about that. I'm not going to be anybody else but be my mother's daughter. My mother turned around and always said, don't stop saying thank you. Don't stop being grateful. Don't stop being kind. And अगर तुम्हारे पास ₹2 हैं and you see somebody and you feel that that person is going to benefit more out of that ₹2, give it. Don't turn around and ask people. They will give it to you if they need to give you. And then God will look after you. After she has raised us all like this, and I am surrounded by people who have been so good to me, so kind to me. What is the reason for me to be negative? I don't know. I don't know any other way of life, Vicky. I only know that you have to be kind in this world. There is nothing wrong with being kind. And that is all I know. And grateful, always grateful. And there is nothing, ahankar, no, not nice, not nice. There's a beautiful saying my mother used to say, and I used to say it a lot. Vinashakale viprit buddhi. And I never wish that on anybody. I wish nothing but goodness in this world because it's such a short life, yaar. Kya karna hai? Let's all be happy.
Let me ask you the final question.
Bolo.
I personally feel whenever I've spoken to you, whether it's my first interview, then I spoke to you when Bapida passed away, and I'm speaking to you, I think, for the third time on screen, though we have kept in touch by mobile.
Yeah.
Are you a very, very emotional person? I say this because when I hear you, I find your voice loaded with emotion.
I am. I feel things. My heart feels it. I don't know how to pretend. If something touches me, I'll cry. If something makes me angry, I'll scream. If something turns around and makes me like I should laugh, I will laugh. If something touches me in so many different ways, then if I have to be verbal and vocal about it, I will. But एक चीज है, I've had to control a lot over the years. Life teaches you that. Sometimes I feel that it can be misunderstood, when you're trying to say too much. So I try to be quiet, but my eyes will turn around and speak it, or I might just turn around and just probably walk away. But I am an emotional person and I am very vocal if I love you. I'm very vocal if I'm angry. But now the anger part of it has taken a backseat because there isn't any time left to be angry anymore. जो बची कुची जिंदगी है मैं खुश रहना चाहती हूँ. मैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही रहना चाहती हूँ जैसे मैं थी हूँ और रहूंगी. Because the world has been good to me. This is the second time the world has turned and said, we are here for you. We are going to hold you. And for that, I say thank you to
Look,
everyone who has turned around and said, please come back. I'm saying, I'm ready. Get me the work. I'll be there.
looks like Bollywood comeback is very soon, but a sub question to this would be that when you try to hold yourself back, you said you are able to hold yourself back, and now you have changed a little. Who helped you to change? I mean,
God.
was it your sister Kavita? Was it your nephew?
My sister Kavita has been part of my life in every which way. See, because she's a single parent, the world knows this. We have lived together our entire life, except for the short time she was married. She and her son, they hold me. They are responsible for the Siliguri trip. Without them, I wouldn't have made it. They were the ones who told me that what you do it well or don't do it at all. So even the latest जो भी है उसकी क्रेडिट भी उस बच्चे को जाती है जिसने ये ट्रिप प्लान किया. वो मेरे लिए बच्चा ही रहेगा, कोई कुछ भी बोले. He is a grown man. But fact of the matter is this, that I can't change. Kavita is part of my existence. And if people think that I'm doing too much, so be it. यार मैंने जिंदगी उसके साथ बिताई है, उसके इर्द गिर्द रही हूं. वो मेरी माँ की जगह खड़े होकर आज मुझे डांटने का हक भी रखती है, और मैं डांटती भी है, और मैं उसकी सुन के भी लेती हूँ. एंड उतना ही तो प्यार भी करती है ना. मेरे जो जिंदगी है अकेली सोलो लाइफ, that is got a purpose na. She brought this little child into my life and he means the world to me, and there's a little bit of this world that thinks he's my son. Of course he's my son, he's born of my sister, but he's my son and I love him to the moon and back.
I was just about to say that Rohan has a mother, Kavita.
Yes.
Rohan has a father, Kalpana Iyer.
Well, he has a better way of putting it. He tells everybody, these are my parents. I love it when he says that. And to me, I always tell the world that this is Kavita, this is Rohan. And between the both of them, I have put them here and they have held me here.
Kalpana ji, I'm waiting for you to come back to Bollywood. And trust me, I'm saying this on behalf of lakhs and crores of people from India.
मुझे काम मिलेगा, मैं लौट के आऊंगी. एंड मैं उम्मीद मेरी मतलब बोलते ना कायम है. आई वॉन्ट टू वर्क, आई रियली डू, एंड आई एम वेटिंग. बुलावा आया, मैं आ जाऊंगी. एंड दैट्स अ प्रॉमिस एंड आई विल ऑनर इट.
I wish you, your sister Kavita, and your son Rohan all the best.
Thank you so much.
And look forward to talking to you again.
Thank you so much, Vicky.